That's it. Very good. Yeah.
Gen Tenzin La, Gen La.
Yes.
Uh, eh, when I was looking for the word, when I was to type the word tata, okay, the ta, I could not find it in that. How do I make that,
What do you mean? Tata.
to type the word ta,
That's
how do I make it from the keyboard?
that which keyboard you are using?
I don't know which keyboard on my iPhone. The one there is nothing there like that. I couldn't. That's why I had to write it as la and then ta together because I could not make it ta la ta. Uh,
Okay, I understood.
ha. Okay,
I
so
saw you. I saw
I
it.
tried my best.
I saw it, and I can see that you can say it well. But you
Okay,
have a little bit. You need to do revision on reading and writing. That's all. You can
okay,
say
yeah.
it well. I can see that by
Uh,
when you're writing it in English. I can see
okay,
that. That's it. You need a
thank you.
little bit revision on
On the writing. My
writing.
handwriting, if I write, I can write, but you cannot read. You cannot read my handwriting because I do translation work, so I have to write very fast when I am online translating. So I have to do very quickly. So therefore, my handwriting is very bad. Even I cannot read afterwards. After a few days, I cannot read. So sorry, that's why I try to type it. Okay.
That's
Thank you.
that's enough. That's it. That's it. Oh, okay, Lasso. So in the 8-0, we have learned how to introduce yourself. Akosuma, Matenzin in, Hong Yen Hong Re, Mo Jo Re, Mo Sonia Re, like this. Hong Mo Kerang Su Yin, Mo Kong Su Re, use Su for the human, use Kare for the objects and things. Akosuma, Di Kare Re, Te Kare Re, Kerang Su Yin, Kong Su Re, like this. Hmm? That's it. No? Then we learn delta. Delta. Nye tebre, konki tebre. Hmm. Then for the question, you can say teb di sure. Or kapar di sure. Su. Sasharkyusu akikui. Like su. Whose. Kapar di sure. Kapar di mere. Kapar di yenhong ki mare. Like this. Okay? Very good. Then we learned Latin with the la, how to use la, show direction. Dang la tu. Oh, walk la tu. Oh, chilok la tu. Nang la tu. If it's new knowledge. If it's general knowledge, nang la yure, chilok la yure. For yourself, nga tata Hamburg la yure, Taiwan la yure, Hong Kong la yure, Bangkok la yure, Europe la yure, nang la yure, chilok la yure, Sakang la yure, Starbucks la yure, like this. Then we learned nga la tep mangpo yure, right? Hela yak mangpo yure, like this. Europe la 최적 망보 유리스. Like this. We learned that. Okay. Then we learned Chetra, the action doer particle with the sa. Okay. So that action doer particle and relation or connection particle, same sound. Pratang chikpare. Inaya action duo particle la sa yure. Hela yak yure. action duo particle la sa yuri. Haposuna sa yurwa. This one. Haposuna. Oh, then we know how to use that particle after the action duo. Haposuna. Perna enclair key kyoki jonki tu. If I wanna add location, enclair key zoom la kyoki jonki tu. Right? Haposuna. Kitu. Or if general knowledge ki yore, enclave ki jumla öke jonki yore. Oh, nge jumla öke jonki yore. We learned that. Very good. That's it. 480. We learned that. Okay? So you need to know where you don't know, where is not clear. Go back and revision it within these holidays. Don't make a break. You will forget it because mostly you translate it. Then when you translate, if you make a gap, you will forget. So keep on the consistency. Look for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Study, revision on your own. That's it. Otherwise, we all did very well. Thank you very much. That's all. That ring, Tiloki. We will read this. Oh, Tangboya, Rinda. Yen Hong Tang, Nga, Inda. Yen Hong, Molak, Molak, Habosuna, Molak. Oh, Trashida. Molak. Grandmother, Habosuna, Molak. Okay. Tene Pumo Habosuna, any woman or female. That's it. Tarokinda. Yen Hong la Molagin, Nga, Pumoin. That's it.
자식들의 부모 그런 때 보임배.
That's it. Yen Hong la Tokzam Kalerlo, Kalekal. So that we all can hear it. That's it.
자식들의 부모 그런 때 보임배.
Tashi dele mola nga tepoyin
야야 아니 그런 기민 가르래.
nge ming pemare or nge ming la pemare chipare. Nge ming la pemare mola.
알레 그런 라 부구예배.
That's oh so we don't need this. Yankerlo tang yang
알레 그런 라 부구예배.
yu ngala pukuni yu chik pure chik umore kongni loptala doi yure or ki yure we know present tense abosuma ki yure chikpare okay that's kongni
알레
loptala ki yure kongni school la doi yure abosuma that's
알레 아니 그런 기 파마 기알카라 예레배.
nge hama öla yure nga yakarla de ki de live or stay de ki present tense nga yakarla de ki nge pama öla yure molagla 부구 가츠유.
나라 부모 니예 타다 콩니 유럽 라 예레
왜? 아래 홍익이 가르치기 요래. 홍익이 가르치기 요래. We can understand from this question, it's a present tense. 보시면 홍익이 가르치기 요래. What they do. 보시면 what they both do. 홍익이 가르치기 요래.
콩 콩니기 럽차라 레가 체기 예레
다다 케랑키 가르치기 요.
타다nye 꼬라 깨압기 예
다당이 꼬라 잡기 요. 꼬라 잡기 요. 보시면 that's it. 라소 몰라. 제라 제리용.
야야 부모 칼레 페바
That's it. So this is like a gesture. When somebody is leaving, we say this. Kaler pepa. Kaler pepa. Go slowly. Like this. Kaler pepa. Any jela jelyong. Jela jelyong. That's it. Now let's try. Hmm? Very good. But any, yeah. Sonia Latang, 인다. 소냐라당 니콜레라 인다. 소냐라 부모인 니콜레라 몰라긴.
다시 들래 부모 grande point pe
Mute redu. 소냐라.
Sorry. 다시 들래 몰라 huh? ngade puyin
야야 아니 keranki min karere
nge ming lakpa mare
니 밍라 파타페 마.
pema sorry ne ming la pema re molak
That's it. 니 밍라 페마레 몰라. Like this.
ale kerangla pugu yope
ye ngala puku ni ye ka shikpure shikpumore
직 말이다. 직.
shik
디차르. This is cha. We know this.
shikpure shikpumore.
That's
Tenzila, sorry to distract, okay? So this is Chikpure and Chikpure, this is one boy and one girl, right?
very.
Okay, thank you.
Koni Loptrala. I'm trying.
No problem. Loptrala. Read one by one.
Troyi Yure.
That's it. Koniki Loptrala Togi Yere. I mean, it's key here. 홍익이 플롭트랄라 저기 요래 draw go 아보스마 draw 홍익이 플롭트랄라 스쿨라 저기 요래 저기 요래 아보스마 very good 얘네야
אני קרן גיבך יקר ליורפה.
that's
nge pama pula yure nga yakarla trokiye trokiye
야카르라 de kiye de
dökiye dökiye
타타 다 나르도 타de kiye 아보스마 de kiye is present tense now de leave or stay na Paris la de kiye na Hamburg la de kiye na Yakar la de kiye like it.
mo lakla puku katsuye
That's it. 몰락라 북극 가주유
나라 부모니 여 다타 코니 유럽라 요래.
That's fair.
ale kongniki kare Sheki yure.
That's it. 홍익이 가래 제기유래 fair.
코니키 롭트랄라 레카 제기 요래.
That's it. fair.
Tata kieranki kare sheki yure.
That's it.
다타 네 코라키압키요.
Lasso. Molak. Jela. Sayong.
사마레 자 마자라 젤
Del Yong.
That's it. Very good. This is common mistake. Di chare, di sare. Abosma. Now you can see. Di chare, di sare. Abosma. Okay.
Sayong. Mhm.
야야 부모 칼레르 펩아.
That's it. Pay aboloso. Chichi. That's it.
코치체.
Chichi. That's it. Very good. All you need is little bit practice in reading so that you can speed up. If you can read slowly, you can read fast already. You just need to do it few times. That's it. Well, this is A1, pre-A1, like almost A1 level. We did very well. That's it. 투지치, 야, 다 되네. 왕충충당 마일라인다.
라쏘
몰락인 마일라 부모인.
라쏘 다시델레 부모 킬랑 데브인베
타시델레 몰라 nga depoin
야야 아니 킬랑기 민 칼레레
gi min la pe male 몰라
That's it.
알레 킬랑 라 푸구 유레베 유에베
요 から북니요 직불에 직부모래 코니키 럽타라 도기요래
That's it.
Ale ani kilang ki pama gyakala yuelebe.
기 파마 볼라 요래 nga gyakala 도기유 몰라 라 북 가추유
That's
Ngala pumu ni yue datara kongni yorap la yuele.
아래 코니키 가래 제기요래
Kongni ki lopta la lega cheki yuele.
단다 계란기 가래 제기유
Dada nge gola kyapki yue.
라서 몰라 제라 제루용
Ya pumu kale pea.
it. Where I will also. Tujiche, Kenny Tujiche. That's all. Where I will also. Tenia, Cynthia Lu Tang, Nimala Inda. Cynthia Lula, try checking be. Well, Cynthia Lula, you pay. Cynthia Lula. Tene, Dinda, Nimala Tang, Nimala Tang, yeah. Jola Inda, Jola. Jola Pumoin, Nimala Mola Gin.
Tasu dilea pomo kiran depoin pe
다시 들래 몰라 내 제보인
Na,
나 제보인
ya ani kiran gimin karere
네 민라 페마레 몰라
ale kiran la pugu yobe
요 나라 푸 푸쿠 니유
that's
치푸레 치푸모레 콩니키 록조라 키이레 키 okay 키이유레
He Mare, they carry read one by
oh
one. That's it.
조이유레
That's it. The Yanker Lotham. Yanker. Chola, Yanker.
okay 키 니
Koni,
오니키 로 졸라
Lop, Tra. Sala,
롭트랄라
Narolo, Palop, Lop, Trala.
롭트랄라 조 이유레
That's it. Koni ki, Lop Trala, Droki Yere, or Droi Yere. Chikpare.
okay
That's it.
ale ani kiran gi pama gyakala yorepe
okay 니 파마 볼라 유레
Oh, Marada, Pöla. Ni,
프
Pöla, Yere. You say this is you, same, 그.
Oh, okay. Pula yuri. Okay. Na oh क्या कर क्या कर रहा तो तो
그,
की
그,
तो की ये तो की ये
들기유. 나,
तो की
야카르라, 들기유. That's
na okay, try again. Na to कर रहा तो की ये मोला मोला मोकाला oh no
몰락라,
몰락라 그 같으유
몰락라, 푸쿠, 가츠유.
푸쿠
Children,
푸쿠
가츠유.
같으유 okay
가츠, how many? 몰락라,
Mhm.
푸쿠, 가츠유. That's
푸쿠 같으유 okay
Molakla pulmonia. Tata koni Europla yore.
that's
okay 아래 코니 가래 체키유레
that's
Koni ki Lopchala leka jeki yore.
that's
okay 타다 계란기 가래 체키유
that's
Tata nie kora gyapki.
that's
라소 몰라 제라 제라 모 젤르
젤라, 젤, 용.
젤용 젤용 okay
마차라, 젤, 용. 젤라,
okay
젤, 용. That's it.
젤용 okay
Ya pomo. Kalepe ba.
That's it. Very good. You did well. 야구치송, 구치치, that's it. 야, 드니, 타랄라탕, 에폴리나라인다. 타랄라탕, 에폴린. 에폴리나라, 몰라긴. 타랄라, 부모인.
La.
너,
다시 들리 부모 걔랑 네포인데
똑상 끼친 보인다. Louder.
Yeah, cannot
다시 들리
hear.
부모 Can you hear me?
Yes, can hear now.
Okay. 다시 들리 부모 걔랑 네포인데
다시 dile mola nga depoyin.
야야 아니 걔랑 기밍 다리래
Nge ming la pemare molak.
알레 걔랑 라 부부 옆에
Yo nga la puku ngiyo. Chik pure chik pumore. Kongi ki trup
라달라.
luptra la tro yi yure.
Drore, tro mare. Because of the a prefix, it became bolder, right? Dro, like this. Okay?
Draw or tro? Draw.
Draw.
Draw. Okay, draw. Okay, draw. Okay. Okay. Kongi ki luptro la draw yi yure.
That's it. Draw, go. Kongi ki
Yeah, draw.
la droi yere. That's
Draw. Okay.
Ale, ani kerangi hama gyagarla yerepe.
Nge pama hui la yure. Nga gyakala Tokyo. Dukiyo.
No?
Molak la puku kachoyo.
That's it. Very good.
Nala bumo ni yu data kongni Europe la yure.
Ale. Kongi ki kare cheki yore.
That's it. Uniki karecheki.
Kongni ki lobtala leka cheki yure.
That's it.
Tata kerang ki kare cheki yo.
Data ni kura gyapki yu.
That's
Lakso. Molang. Jela jelyong.
that's it.
Yaya bumo galer peb a.
That's very good. Pay agulosan. Arala
Thank you.
agulosan.
Thank you. Thank you.
Very good. See, we did very well. Agosuma. Oh yeah. En Clara, try chicken be. Inda. Ngamo lagin. En Clara, pumoin. Agosuma.
Nasu.
Tashi
Hard
dele
time.
pumo. Keran depo imbe.
Tashilele. Sorry. Okay. Tashilele. I'm going to have trouble with this. Sorry.
No problem.
Tashilele.
Read one by one. No problem. Read one.
Okay. Molak.
That's
Nga tepoyin.
that's yeah. Ani kerang ki ming karire.
Nyeming la. Nyeming la. Perla.
Read
Perlare.
one by one. One by one.
Okay. Pata. Nyeming la.
Pa, pe. It makes a sound.
Okay. Pima, sorry. Pimare. Molak.
Ale. Kerang la puku yepe. Kerang la private jet yepe. Kerang la tap yepe. Kerang la puku yepe.
Ye. Nyala. Puku ni. Ye. Chikpure. Chikpumore.
That's
Koni ki Loptruk.
Loptra la.
Loptra. Lutrala.
Read one by one.
So tro.
That's it.
Troi yere.
That's it.
Yeah, droi yere.
Kongi ki Loptra la droi yere. That's it. You know how to read them. Okay. I know this.
I'm very slow, sorry.
No problem. Very good try. That's all. Ale, ani keranki pama gyakarla yurepe.
Nyepama pela yere.
That's it.
Nga jakarla Yakala Sata
Right. One by one.
de
Mhm.
Sata Doki
That's it.
Dokiye
That's it. Dökiye. No?
Dokiye
That's it.
Dokiye.
Ah, yakarla dökiye. That's it. You are doing.
Okay. Molakla Fuku Katse Ye.
That's it. Ngala puku ni ye. Tatakong ni Europla yere.
Ale Kong Ni Ki Kare Kong Ni Ki Kare Che Kiere.
That's it. Kongniki kare cheki yere. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
Kongniki loptala leka cheki yere. Kongniki sakangla leka cheki yere. Kongniki Starbucks la leka cheki yere. Kongniki office la leka cheki yere. Any
Tada Kiranki Kare Che Kiye.
Tata nge kora kyaki ye.
Lasso Molak Jela Jelie
Jela Jel Yong.
Jelyong.
That's it. Yaya Pumo Kaler Pep A. That's it. Very good try. You
Thank you.
improved already. I can see that. But still you need to read more.
Hagasam.
Very good. We did very well and quick.
Tensila,
Sorry, what
excuse
was
me.
Kale Pep Yo?
Yes, I'm asking the same thing. Kaler Pep A. What is the meaning of that?
Kaler, slowly. Pep A. Go slowly. It's like a saying gesture.
Oh, like in English, you say take it easy. Okay.
When somebody is going, Kale Pep A.
Yeah. We say take it easy. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
No. Dade, hakosong, hakomasong, keyomare, no problem. Try practice reading it. Hakosong, trashi, delek, umo, kerang, depo, like this. You read more, you can read pechas already. Hakosong, that's very good try. Very good.
Pecha, Pecha.
Oh yeah. La dinang la de. Dökiye. Gyakarla dökiye. Hakosoma. Gyakarla dökiye. Or and Claire can say England la dökiye. Hakosoma. Yen Hong can say Taiwan la dökiye. Like this. Or if it's about your friend, Nge Tropo, America la dökiye re. Nge Tropo, North Korea la dökiye re. Like this. Anything. Oh yeah. Tenede 홍익이 가르치기 열에 general question. 홍익이 가르치기 열에 계란기 족부 가르치기 열에 네 족부 넷플릭스 따기 열에 네 족부 내가 치기 열에 네 족부 칼락 쏘기 열에 Okay? 배우고도 니 타타 케랑키 가르치기요. 타타니 베게 좀기요. 타타니 피자 사기요. Then we use kiduk only if it is direct experience and not general knowledge. As a precedent. For example, 갱홍라입니다. 니 가르치기도
케랑기 축 총기득.
That's it. Keranki chuku. That's it. So that's it. We are finishing with the 8-0. After that, we will not do class for 8 days. Within that, we can decide. I think it's better to do either Monday and Friday. Is that better? Or Wednesday and Friday? Which one?
I
We
think
will decide.
Monday, Thursday.
Monday, Wednesday,
Mo-
Friday.
Okay, okay. So you want Monday, Wednesday. Okay. So Monday, Friday can do, yeah.
Yes, Monday, Friday.
No? Let's see whatever is better in the chat.
Okay.
Let's
Okay.
vote.
Okay.
Hmm?
Okay. So you only want the odd days, right? Not the even days. Okay.
Yes.
Monday, Wednesday is best.
No, it's too close, isn't it? No time to do the homework, my dear. I have to do a lot of translation work.
It depends. Yeah, for me,
So,
especially.
yeah, I know. Yeah, but we can take the majority. Okay, I'll go with the
Yeah,
majority.
we
Yeah.
can do. Yeah, we can vote.
Somewhere.
Yeah.
Let's see whichever is more. We will decide that.
Mm.
That's it. Agarani. Nani, please practice the topic I have told in the beginning of the lesson. What we learned till now. That's it.
So Tensela, so after today's class, we won't have class for 1 week, right?
Yes, 1 week.
Okay.
Or
So next
probably
class should be around Friday, right?
other Wednesday. Or
Next Wednesday. Okay, that
So
will be
we
7 days.
We start our class from next Friday.
Okay, next Friday. Okay. So
If
that would be,
it's Monday and Friday.
yeah. So if
If
it
it's
is that
Monday,
way,
Wednesday, then we start from Monday.
okay. So it'll be Friday the 20th, right?
That's it.
Friday the 20th.
Well, till then, relax, enjoy. I know that you can speak now.
You can send the homework. You can send the homework as long as we don't have to write it in Tibetan.
I will send this conversation.
Okay,
to
so
make
we
it
can go
about
through it.
yourself.
Yes.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Yes. Tugyushe.
Instead of saying Nge Ming La Pema Re, you can say Nge Ming La and Claire Re, Nge Ming La Sonia Re. If you have kids, you can say Ngala Puku Ye. Don't have Ngala Puku Me.
Okay.
So try like this. Be creative. Make it about yourself. Then you will learn very well when it's about you.
We can send the conversation, the voice conversation, tape conversation.
Yes, in the WhatsApp, I will send both the
Yeah,
link.
we can do that way. Yeah.
Mm.
We can do homework, yes,
Practice
way.
it.
Yes. Yes.
That's it. Please practice well before we start A1. Try read. If you don't understand the meaning, no problem. Just read. Okay. Meaning and here we can discuss. Try read. Then we know the 3 root sound. Ah, ha, ah. Okay, go back to that. Very important. Go back to that. Then put all the alphabet into these three categories. Then we have superscript, Rango, Lango, Sango, Ra, La, Sa. On the bottom, we have Ratak, Yatak, Latak. Try read them. Apostoma. Then we know only one of them changes to two types. Either it's higher or bolder. It will make your pronunciation very good. I can see the effect on my new 80 who never learned anything from before, but they can read, pronounce very well. We started together, not because I am good teacher, but because I use this method. Ah, ha, ah, keep in mind. And then when there is a superscript or the prefix sound changes, only our category changes. Revision it. Learn how to read them one by one. Ra, mata, ma, maru, mo. If there is no ra on the top, mo. Because of the superscript ra, mo. Understand these effects, changes. That's it. Then please do revision. Okay? Enjoy it. Revision. You already learned Tibetan language. You know how to introduce a little bit. You can introduce your friend. You can introduce your parents, family, what he is doing. That's it. Then we will start with the A1. Please do revision. Those who are already very good, I know them very good. They are doing very well. You can at least change the lacking things like a pronunciation that you build up wrong habit or whatever. You can change this. That's it. We did very well. Thank you very much. I will stop here today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Gela.
our
Thank you.
teacher. Thank you, Gela.
Very, very
You are
much.
the best. You are the best.
Yes, you are best.
You
All
make
are
you
best.
make
We all
us
are best.
you make us learn from ground zero to now. Wow, we are so proud. Yeah, I'm very proud. At least I learned. Yeah.
We did it. Okay, very good. We all did it together. Sujiche, Rashid,
Cicie, cześć tyle. Cicie.
Thanks, everyone.
Days.
Thank you, everybody. See you in the next class next week, Friday. Bye bye. Jela Jel Yong, everybody. Have a good day.
Bye-bye.
What? I just learned a new word. Hold on. What does it say? Kaler,
Okay.
tep a. Kaler tep a. Okay.
Bye-bye. Sujiche.
Bye bye.
Good day.
Also,